In this video, we are going to learn about one of the most important functions in Excel. As the name suggests, this if function is a conditional statement. It helps us to identify if a cell contains a certain value or a certain text. Depending upon that, we will use the function to send or to display a certain output. Let me show you an example. In this Excel sheet, we have two columns or two sets of attributes. The first one is country, in which it lists a list of names of the countries, and its corresponding cells contain the sales value of that particular country. So let us find out if the value of the sale is greater than $30,000 or it is less than $30,000. So we can manually see that in this column it is more than $30,000, it is 32,000. In the next one it is 26,000, which is less. Then again 32,000, which is more, and so on and so forth. So let us do our calculation over here. In order to use the if function, like in every other function, we have to first use the equal to sign, which signifies the that it is a function and not a usual text or a usual data. After that, we'll put the if over here. So as soon as we put the if, it takes us to this drop down shadow, which gives us a slight hint of the input that we need to put in the function. The first one is logical test. So here we are going to see if the value in this cell is more than 30,000 or not. To do that, we have to put the location of the cell, which is J2, this one. Now we are going to check if it is greater than 30,000. If the value is true, then it will show a text output which will be yes, like this. And if it's a false statement, then it will give us a no as a output. So here we can find few things. The first thing is this is the condition which we are going to check. Then it comes with a comma, which is the separation. After the comma, we have to put what we are going to see if the condition is satisfied or if the condition is true. Here we are going to see a text output which says yes. In order to identify it is as text, we have put quotation mark. And after that, again we have to put a comma in here, and after that it comes with the condition. If the condition is not true, then it will show us a no sign or a no text. So after completing the entire function, we are going to close the bracket and we are going to put an enter. So clearly we can see that this is more than 30,000, so it is showing yes. In order to see the entire range of the data, we just have to click over here and drag it down until the data ends, and it will populate us with the results. So just do a quick formatting. Now we can see that this is more than 30,000, so it is showing yes. The next one is not, so it is showing no. Again the next one is more than 30,000, so it is showing yes again, then a no, then a yes, then again a yes, then a no, so on and so forth. So we can see that using the if function, we can identify if a cell contains a certain value, if it is more than a value, it is less than a value, or it is equal to a value. The if function also works in text comparisons. If a cell contains a certain name or a certain text, then also we can use the same function. We will look into it in the next video. For now, I hope you have understood how the if function works. Thank you.